Welcome to this in-depth tutorial on implementing facial recognition for home automation using Java. Today, I'll walk you through every step of the process, from setting up your development environment to implementing machine learning algorithms. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the goals of this project. We want to create a facial recognition system that can identify whether a recognized face is allowed to access our home automation system. This can securely control things like lights, doors, and other devices. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a functioning system that you can customize further. Before we dive into coding, we'll need to set up our development environment. Our primary tools will be Java and a few libraries. Ensure you have Java Development Kit, JDK, installed. You can download it from Oracle's website. Also, let's use the following libraries to manage different tasks. 1. OpenCV for image processing and facial recognition. 2. JavaCV to bridge Java with OpenCV. 3. A JSON parsing library such as JSON to handle our data formats. You can add these libraries via Maven or Gradle. Here's how you can configure your Maven project. Once you have the libraries added, let's move on to setting up our project structure. You should have the following packages: com.homeautomation, com.homeautomation.face, com.homeautomation.utils. Create these packages within your Java project. Now, let's create our main application class. This will initialize the application and handle user input. Next, let's implement the facial recognition logic in the face recognition class. Within the face package we just created, add a new class called face recognition. In the load known faces method, we will load images of the people allowed to access the home. This data will be stored in a hash map for easy access during recognition. Now let's implement the recognize face method. In this method, we will capture a frame from the camera, process it, and compare it against the known faces using OpenCV's face recognition algorithms. For the facial recognition, you'd typically implement algorithms such as eigenfaces, Fisher faces, or local binary patterns histogram, LBPH. For simplicity, we're simulating recognition. Integrating actual recognition is a complex topic, so ensure you refer to OpenCV documentation. Now, let's add some utility functions to help us. Create a new class in the utils package. Here we will manage features like saving and loading recognized user data. Integrating the utility function into our recognition method is crucial. When a user is recognized, we can save their information permanently using the file utils class. Now that we have the foundational code set up, let's discuss potential home automation integrations. One possibility is using smart home devices that can be controlled via APIs or SDKs provided by the manufacturers. Let's briefly talk about integrating smart home functionalities such as unlocking doors or turning on lights. For demonstration, we will define a simple method that simulates activating these functions when a face is recognized. After recognizing a user, we can call this method to perform actions according to the recognized individual. This way, we are moving closer to a fully functional home automation system. As you can see, we have created a simple facial recognition system that responds to user input and integrates with potential home automation events. Testing is crucial. Ensure that you test the facial recognition capabilities with various images and lighting conditions. Furthermore, it is essential to look at security implications of this implementation. Always ensure that you use secure storage for any sensitive data like user images. Avoid hard-coding sensitive information directly in your code. For deployment, remember to choose a platform that allows continuous updates and monitoring. Home automation uses the Internet of Things, IoT, framework extensively, so exploring secure communication is important. As we wrap up this tutorial, remember that this project can always be expanded. You might consider refining the recognition algorithm, adding more features like voice control, or even creating a mobile app interface for remote management. Thank you for watching this tutorial on implementing facial recognition for home automation in Java. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments below. Happy coding!